Eurobank, as Greece's third largest bank, has decided to embark in a digital transformation journey with the ultimate target, of course, to do the best on customer service and on facing the needs of our customers. We have decided that on this exercise we will partner with Microsoft, where we feel that it really has the best cloud platform, and we think that this is the best platform for modern enterprises. In the core of our strategy is actually to understand the needs and the profiling of our customer bases in order to be able to make data-driven decision anywhere, anytime.
To support our vision of becoming a data-driven digital organization, we need state-of-the-art analytics and data architectures. We make use of both on-premise and cloud Microsoft Analytics technology to deliver valuable customer insights to our business. Eurobank IT is transforming to enable the bank's digital transformation. To do that, we need scalable, robust and flexible infrastructure. Microsoft Cloud helps us transform our technology landscape and internal delivery model, becoming a more agile and efficient organization.
Power BI has changed the way we deliver information to knowledge workers, not just management, but all staff. One of the greatest achievements so far is that we have managed to integrate at least 100 different reports into just 20 interactive dashboards. We can have access to data at any time and everywhere there is an internet access. Even during meetings, we can take real decisions based on real-time data. After all, customer centricity is about knowing our customers, and visualization is the best way to distribute knowledge to decision makers.
Our vision is to strengthen Eurobank's profile to become a much more customer-oriented organization that delivers unique and personalized experiences. The only way that we can achieve that is to have a superior and excellent digital offering with a human touch.